How do I stop the oven from beeping?
Welcome everyone to this troubleshooting tutorial. Today, we'll tackle a common kitchen annoyance, the incessant beeping of your oven. You may encounter this problem due to a variety of reasons, but regardless of the cause, we're here to help you silence it. Let's dive in.
Understand why your oven is beeping.
The first step to solving our problem is understanding why our oven is beeping in the first place. There could be several reasons. 1. End of cooking timer. The most common reason for an oven to beep is when it has finished preheating, or when the timer for the baking or cooking time you set has ended. 2. Error message. If your oven is continuously beeping, it might be signaling an error message or a malfunction. 3. Power interruption. Sometimes, if there was a recent power outage or interruption, your oven might beep as a response.
How to stop the beeping?
Once you've understood why your oven is beeping, we can move on to stopping it. If your oven is beeping due to the timer or preheating, press the cancel or off button on your oven. This should typically silence the beeping sound if it's timer or preheating related. If your oven is beeping due to an error message, check the display on your oven. If you see a code, refer to your oven's user manual to understand what the code means. You might need to resolve an issue with your oven, or in some cases, you might need to call a professional. If your oven is beeping due to a power interruption, try resetting your oven. You can usually do this by disconnecting it from the power source, waiting for about a minute, and then reconnecting it.
Preventive measures for the future.
To prevent future annoying oven beeping, here are some tips. Keep the oven clean. Regular maintenance and cleaning can help prevent future error codes. Regularly check the oven. Check your oven regularly for any signs of damage or wear and tear. Proper power source. Ensure the oven is connected to a stable power source to avoid interruptions. Thank you for joining us in this tutorial. We hope you now understand why your oven might be beeping and, more importantly, how to silence it. Remember, an informed kitchen is a happy kitchen. As always, keep baking and enjoy your quiet, beep-free cooking experience.